Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be starting a new gameplay series which is Minecraft. So I have spawned in a swamp and let's go get some wood. As you saw, I collected some wood and now we'll go make a crafting table and some sticks. Now we'll be making some basic tools out of wood like an axe, pickaxe and a sword to kill some animals and to get some food. Now after making these tools we'll go kill some pigs and some chickens for the food. I don't know what my mind was thinking, but I went and collected some wood. I don't know for what, so let's just see what happens after that. After killing the chickens, we'll go make some smokers by taking some wood. Now we'll be making a shovel so that we can dig dirt and then make a house. Now we are going to go mining for some stone to make some basic tools. I thought this could be a good spot for making my house, so let's dig and make a basic house. When I realized it was going to become dark, I made some slabs so that the mobs can't see me and they cannot shoot me or anything. Now let's continue our mining session. After cooking some food, I thought it would be better to make a stone pickaxe so that we can mine faster. So let's make it. After making the pickaxe and some basic stone tools, I thought it would be better to make some torches so that mobs don't spawn in my base. So let's make it. Now let's continue our mining session. After completing our mining session, I thought it would be better to make a chest so that we can store all our waste stuff. So let's make some chests. We are trying to make our house bigger, so let's continue our mining session. I am digging this 2x2 so that we can go strip mining in later episodes. So let's do it. After the first day in Minecraft, this is what our house looks like. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this episode of Minecraft, just hit the like button so I can make sure that you want to see more episodes. And if you're new here, just subscribe. That's it. So until the next video, see you. Peace out.